What if I told you that one simple relaxing habit, just sitting in a hot room for 15 to 20 minutes a few times a week, was linked in a major 20-year study to a 50% lower risk of dying from heart disease and up to a 66% lower risk of developing dementia? It sounds almost too good to be true, but this is not a supplement, not a drug, and not some expensive new biohack. It is one of the oldest wellness practices in human history, the sauna. For centuries, sauna bathing was simply seen as a way to relax and unwind. But over the past 2 decades, serious scientific research, particularly from Finland, where saunas are a way of life, has revealed something remarkable. Regular sauna use appears to be one of the most powerful things you can do for your heart, your brain, and your long-term health. And in the next few minutes, I am going to walk you through the genuinely surprising science-backed health benefits of saunas. To understand why saunas are so good for you, we need to start with the most important research ever done on the subject. And it comes from Finland, a country with more than one sauna for every 3 people. Researchers at the University of Eastern Finland conducted a landmark study following over 2,300 middle-aged men for an average of more than 20 years. They tracked exactly how often these men used the sauna and then monitored their health outcomes over the following 2 decades. The results, published in the prestigious journal JAMA Internal Medicine, were genuinely striking. Compared to men who used the sauna just once a week, those who used it 4 to 7 times a week had a 50% lower risk of dying from cardiovascular disease. Their risk of all-cause mortality, dying from any cause, was significantly lower too. And here is the crucial part. There was a clear dose-response relationship. The more frequently the men used the sauna and the longer each session, the greater the protective effect. This is exactly the kind of pattern that suggests a genuine biological benefit. The researchers accounted for other factors like exercise, smoking, and socioeconomic status, and the sauna benefit remained strong and independent. Let us look at why. The most well-established benefit of sauna use is for your heart and cardiovascular system. When you sit in a sauna, your body responds in a fascinating way. Your heart rate increases, often reaching 100 to 150 beats per minute. Your blood vessels widen and relax. Your circulation improves dramatically. According to research published in Mayo Clinic Proceedings, the physiological response to a sauna session is remarkably similar to moderate intensity exercise, like going for a brisk walk. This is why scientists sometimes call sauna bathing passive cardiovascular conditioning. You are giving your heart and blood vessels a workout simply by sitting in the heat. Over time, regular sauna use has been shown to lower blood pressure, improve the flexibility and function of your arteries, reduce arterial stiffness, and improve the function of the heart's left ventricle. The heat, quite literally, supports your heart. Now we come to what might be the most exciting area of sauna research, brain health. And this is genuinely remarkable. That same group of Finnish men was studied for cognitive outcomes. The findings, published in the journal Age in Aging, were extraordinary. Compared to men who used the sauna once a week, those who used it 2 to 3 times a week had a 22% lower risk of developing dementia, and those who used it 4 to 7 times a week had a 66% lower risk of dementia and a 65% lower risk of Alzheimer's disease specifically. The Alzheimer's Society in the UK reviewed this research and confirmed it as a significant finding. Saunas improve blood flow to the brain. They lower blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for dementia. This is some of the most promising evidence we have for a simple lifestyle habit protecting the aging brain. Saunas have a powerful effect on your mental well-being. When you sit in the heat, your body releases endorphins, often called the body's natural feel-good chemicals. These help reduce stress, ease tension, and create that deep sense of relaxation and well-being. This is why so many people find a sauna session genuinely melts away the stress of the day. There is also growing interest in the link between regular sauna use and improved sleep, reduced symptoms of depression, and an overall greater sense of well-being. The combination of physical relaxation, the quiet meditative environment, and the endorphin release makes the sauna a genuinely powerful tool for mental health in our busy, stressful modern lives. Saunas offer a range of other benefits worth knowing about. For muscle recovery and pain relief, the heat increases blood flow to tired and sore muscles, helping to ease aches, reduce stiffness, and speed up recovery after exercise. This is why so many athletes incorporate sauna sessions into their training routines. Research has also suggested benefits for pain in conditions such as rheumatic diseases and headaches. For your lungs and immune system, some research suggests regular sauna use may be associated with a reduced risk of respiratory conditions and may support immune function. And for that wonderful feeling of clean, refreshed skin, the deep sweating helps cleanse the skin and improve circulation to give that healthy post-sauna glow. The common thread through all of these benefits is a concept called hormesis, the idea that exposing your body to a controlled, manageable stress, like heat, triggers a healthy adaptive response that makes you more resilient over time. It is the same principle behind why exercise is good for you. Based on the research, here are the key principles. For frequency, the research suggests the more often, the better, within reason. The strongest benefits in the Finnish studies were seen in those using the sauna 4 to 7 times a week, but even 2 to 3 times a week showed meaningful benefits. For duration, sessions of around 15 to 20 minutes were associated with the strongest results. Listen to your body and never push beyond what feels comfortable. For temperature, traditional Finnish saunas are typically heated to around 80 to 100 degrees Celsius. Always stay hydrated and drink plenty of water before and after. Never use a sauna after drinking alcohol. Get out immediately if you feel dizzy, lightheaded, or unwell. And if you have any heart condition, low blood pressure, or are pregnant, please speak to your doctor before starting regular sauna use. Even regular hot baths have been shown in research to offer some similar cardiovascular benefits. So, let us bring everything together. The science on saunas is genuinely impressive. Regular sauna use is associated with a significantly lower risk of cardiovascular disease and death, up to a 2/3 lower risk of dementia and Alzheimer's disease, reduced stress and improved mental well-being, better muscle recovery and pain relief, and a host of other benefits, all from one relaxing habit. It is one of the few health practices that is genuinely enjoyable, deeply relaxing, and backed by serious long-term research. If you have access to a sauna, the evidence suggests that using it regularly could be one of the simplest and most pleasurable investments you can make in your long-term health. This video is for educational purposes only. If you found this video helpful and learned something new today, please give it a thumbs up. It genuinely helps the channel more than you know. And if you are not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss our new health videos every Sunday. We are building a community here at Health is Your Wealth, dedicated to helping you live a longer, healthier, happier life. And I would love for you to be part of it. Drop a comment below and let me know. Do you use a sauna? Or is this something you are going to try? And if you enjoyed this one, watch our video on the #1 natural supplement for high blood pressure next. Until next time, remember, your health truly is your greatest wealth, so take care of it. I will see you in the next video.